How to delete and clear your history on X, formerly known as Twitter. This tutorial shows you how to clear your search history and browsing activity on your Android device. First, open the X app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top to bring up your recent searches. At this point, you'll see your full search history listed below the search bar. In the next step, to delete a single search, swipe left on any entry and tap the X button to remove it. Following this, if you want to clear everything at once, tap the Clear All button at the top right of the search history list. Once done, your entire search history will be wiped clean in one go. From here, go back to the home screen and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. At this stage, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu. After this, tap on Privacy and Safety, and then scroll down to find the Data Sharing and Personalization section. Once completed, tap on Location Information and make sure location-based history tracking is turned off if you don't want X storing your activity. Finally, go back and tap on Ads Preferences to review and clear any interest data that X has collected from your browsing behavior. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear your history and activity on X, give it a like, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.